Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare peas potato curry. For the curry, take a pan, add some oil in it. To this add 1 chopped onion and 1 green chilli. To this add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and give everything a nice saute until the onions turn translucent. Once the onions are done, grind and add 2 tomatoes. Give a nice saute. Let us close this and cook until the oil oozes out. Now you can see a small amount of oil on the top. At this stage you can start sauteing. Let us add all the masalas one by one. 3 by 4 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of dry mango powder and the required amount of salt. Saute this for about a minute or two and then add half a cup of green peas. Here I am using fresh green peas. You can also use the frozen one or the dry one. If you are using the dry one, soak it in water beforehand. Let us close this and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next we are going to add a cup of water. Here I have added half cup of water. Give a nice mix and add another half. Now let us close this and cook until the green peas turn soft. To this we are going to add 2 cooked potatoes and along with this add a teaspoon of kasuri methi, that is dry fenugreek leaves. To this add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Give a nice stir. We are going to close this and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So here our peas potato curry is ready. This will taste so good with chapatis, rotis, idlis and dosas. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.